truck i-deliver. Bago pa yan, ayan. Blue daw yan, pero hindi ko alam, kaya na ang maghusga kung anong kulay niyan. Ayan. Bagong bago to. I-deliver namin sa Freightliner. Freightliner pala, Freightliner. Sa Ottawa namin to i-deliver. Ayan. Look at that. Bagong bago. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng upuan kasi malapad para sa akin. Makahiga ako. Yan, ito yung loob niya. May plastic pa yung upuan. Yan. Yan siya. Second delivery to Ottawa. So, we're ready to go. There you go. Na-connect na siya. Ayan. Then, ayan siya. Magpapagas kami doon. Doon. Yeah. Start na naman ng biyahe. You okay? We are in Toronto now. North, north, north. Yan. Angleton. Sunshine. Natutulog ako. Yan, malapit na kami sa Ottawa. Dadaanan lang namin. No. We're not passing by Ottawa, baby, right? We go to Ottawa.
We're going to Ottawa. We're an hour away. The sun just came up. Beautiful sunny morning.
Wow. We expected the snow, but no snow. Ayan. Kami. Para kaming para akong naring. Natulog lang. Ayan. Ayun, ang aming sasakyan. Nakabuntot. North Augusta Road.
Rockville.
We passed by here before, baby, right?
Yep.
When we got to Cornwall.
Yep. All the time.
All the time.
You have to take the 416 highway up here to go north to Ottawa.
Exit to Ottawa. Chang. Oh, you don't go there. So
Here.
your exit is here?
Yep.
This is the reality of city life. Always traffic. Traffic, traffic. We're almost. Ano naman to? Lagi na lang nag-beep, beep, 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 beep. Yan, wala nang traffic. Ganda ng kulay ng bahay. Building. Andito na kami. Isang liko na lang. Para maihatid na namin tong maingay na sasakyan. Ay nako. Nako talaga. Nakakaano. Isang liko na lang kami. Malapit na dyan. Ayan. Dito. There you go.
There we go.
We're here. Freightliner. Freightliner there. Oh gosh. Freightliner. Wow. Busy. Busy. And dito na kami. Thank you, Lord. Where it's safe. Ayan, nakadating na rin kami sa aming destination. Bye-bye!